Welcome to your Symphony tutorial. The therapeutic goal of this activity is to work on improving the coordination of your arm and hand with visual feedback from your environment. This capability is important for improving the dynamic and static control of your fine motor skills. Your goal is to try to play as many notes as possible at the correct time. You do this by controlling the position of the conductor's wand by moving your wrist and hand up and down to match the position of each note as it passes from right to left. At the beginning, the device will start by providing a little assistance. This may move your hand up. You will then start tracking the notes on the page of music. Move your wrist and hand down to meet the notes on the bottom of the page. Moving your wrist and hand up to the top of the page of music will allow you to play the notes correctly. If you have difficulty moving, the device will detect that and begin to provide some help. Just keep trying to play the notes as hard as you can.